Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sintia Qorina Darojat. Now I would like to share my research proposal. The title is Exploring the English Literacy Program in Indonesian Senior High School Context, English Foreign Language Teacher and Students Responses. Okay, next, the coverage is, the first one is introduction, the second one is research question and conceptual framework, and then research method, and the last is data collection procedure. Okay, the first is introduction. English literacy is very important for students because in all subjects and all aspects requires good reading and writing skills. When students have good ability in reading, students will be able to read information well and quickly, capturing new insights easily. Okay, my statement is supported by Smith 2010 that English literacy is very important to face global language in international business, international research, education, and culture. Okay, and the second one is the issue. In Indonesia, students' English literacy is low and they mostly do not have basic reading skills in English. According to the result of a survey by the Program for International Student Assessment, Indonesia is a country with a low reading rate. Therefore, the government created a literacy program to improve the Indonesian students' reading skills and reading interest. Next, research question. After talking about the importance and the issue of the research, there are two questions related to the issue. The first one is, what are the English Foreign Language Teacher and Students' response concerning the implementation of the English Literacy Program in their school? And the second one, what are the impacts of the English Literacy Program on the students' reading interest? Therefore, the aim of this research is to explore the response of English foreign teachers and students on the implementation of English Literacy Program in their school and to identify the impacts of English Literacy Programs on students' reading interest. Next, conceptual framework. Okay, there are so many frameworks in English literacy. The one I use, the first is English literacy is an important skill by using reading and writing competence as a basic skill. Literacy means having skills to be able to read, write, and speak, to understand and create meaning. Through English and the study and production of text, students learn to read and write about themselves, their communities, and their world. The texts they include in English subjects have developed from literary text to multimodal media and everyday text. A study shows that if students' reading skills are low, it will automatically have implications for difficulties in learning other subjects. And it is found that the literacy program is a program created by the government to help students' reading skills and increase students' reading interest. Next, research method. In research design, this research uses a qualitative research design with a case study approach. For the population, the 11th grade of senior high school in Majalengka, and for the sample, 40 students who were taken randomly from all 11th graders in the school. Of the 40 students, 8 students were interviewed And for the instrumentation, I use two instruments in data collection. The first is observation and the second is interview. Researchers use semi-structured interviews to clarify certain research questions. And the last is procedures. Conducted in Majalengka Senior High School, the data collection started with observing the class. After observing the class, I interview the participants. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.